There are certain categories of people you should never enter into some kind of contracts with. That is because such contracts cannot be enforced under our law. These people are special in the eyes of the law. They are very, very special, and they are protected at all costs. So when you are doing some business transactions, please don't involve them, because you're going to lose. If they fail to perform their part of the contract, if it involves money and they fail to pay you, they're owing you, they are in breach of the contract, you cannot sue them. And even if you try to do, you will still not be able to recover your money. The courts will not compel them to pay you. They are not under any obligation to pay you. They are protected. They are protected by law. Yes. So please, you have to be very, very careful. And one of such persons are minors. You know who a minor is? A minor is someone who is under the age of 18 under our law. So there are certain business transactions that if you do with them, you will lose. Please avoid them. Under our law, minors can only enter into contract of necessaries. What are contract of necessaries? Clothes, shelter, food. That is to say, if you're giving a minor something in exchange for money, give them clothes, give them food, give them shelter. Yes, if they owe you or they are in breach, you can now enforce it. You can now enforce such contract and they will pay you. The court will compel them to pay you. But anything outside this, please don't try it. Anything luxury, avoid it. Giving a minor loan, avoid it. For your own good. If you go to court, you will lose. The court will dismiss such case. Please. So always ensure that you know the age of someone you are dealing with. And if that person is under the age of 18, please avoid that person. If possible, just avoid minors until they bring their guardians. Yes, please, the law, they are special people under our law. The law protects them so, so much. And also note that even in this contract of necessaries that are enforceable, when it is too luxurious, it is too expensive, you see a minor and you're giving that minor a very expensive clothes. You're giving a minor food items that you know are very, very expensive. You will still lose, because they will only be compelled to pay reasonable amounts. Okay? Especially these days that when you see children, you don't even know whether they are children or they are adults. Try to verify their age and know if you can contract with them, if you can do business with them. Don't loan a minor money. Don't give a minor something that is too luxurious. Don't anything outside clothes, reasonable clothes, feeding, reasonable shelter. You know, it has to be reasonable, moderate, something that you know befits their position, their status. Anything outside this, you are on your own, or your is your case. You will not be able to recover your money. Always verify people's age before you enter into contracts with them, else you're going to lose. I hope this helps.